Thisisbunjo show. This is not your show. He traded the 905 for Chiovo. This is Bunjo.
What up, people? This is Bunjo. Today we're in Croatia and it's Enzo's birthday and we're at my place. So we're gonna make a video, a food video of a traditional thing, a special meal for Enzo's birthday. It's called Kotlovina. Kotlovina. And we got this wicked German Croatian guy coming over. His name is Ollie, the owner of Hostel Marina in Trogir. So in front of me here is all the food that we're going to be using. Now we paid about 800 kunas for all this food, but 400 kunas of it was for beer and wine. So here, let's go. Let's dive into this. So right here, we got, what is this? We got about 1 kilo of pork, of pure pork. And right here we got about 2.5 kilos of beef. 2.5 kilos of beef cost about 111 kunas. 1 kilo of pork, 1.5 kilos of pork costs 80 kunas. Now we got some chicken legs. Let's dance on into that soup, baby. And we got this beautiful beast. Some 4 peppers, a kilo of carrots, 2 kilos of potatoes. Everybody in Croatia uses this for everything. Vegeta. Not to be misconstrued with Vegeta from Dragon Ball Z either. 1 kilo to 2 kilos of onions. This is just one onion, yes I know. 500 grams of fresh mushrooms, plus a little can of mushrooms. Some parsley. Some peppercorn. Some chili corn. So this one's spicy, you gotta add a little spice in there. Some sausages, which are called krajinske here. 4 cans of kidney beans. Here's the 4th. And 3 of these pure, look at, passate tomaten. I don't know what this is. Pureed tomatoes, basically. Tomato sauce. 500 grams each, so you need 3 of these. So I'm excited to see what this is going to be tasting like, because it's my first time having this. And pretty much this dish was made in Slavonia area, where my mom's born, and we've never had this. I've never even heard of it. We've never even heard of it. So we can't wait till Ollie comes over and starts cooking. Let's get into it. So now I just cut all the fresh vegetables. All the fresh ingredients are cut. Yes, I got the line work, the bitch work today. But you cut all the 2 kilograms of onions in quarters. The potatoes, you cut the little ones in halves, the big ones in quarters. And you got the carrots, you cut them in 2s or 3s pieces, you know, per carrot. You dice up the red peppers, and you keep the mushroom whole. Just wash these babies because they got dirt on them. And now we just wait. We just wait till 5 o'clock because it takes about 3 hours to prepare this. So let's wait for Ollie, the master chef of Trogir and Chiovo.
Hey big boy, happy birthday. Look how beautiful it is. All these people, all our friends are with you. Hola. And they are making something that it looks so good. What is the name?
Kotlovina.
Kotlovina. So we have some veggies that is perfect. Onions, carrots, and pepper, meat. The perfect combination. Pero el cumpleañero acá está disfrutando muy bien, bebé. A ver, vení con mamá. Vení con mamá. Yes, it is. Yes.
But you can't be overprotective, you know? Yeah. You let him get hurt. There's Angie the chef, huh? Taking the place of the horseman. Where is he? He left us hanging.
He left.
I told everybody that the best cook in town's coming. And then we got the... She's the best.
Now there's the women.
We come to find out that Ollie is fake. And this is the best one.
Fake story.
Yeah, nothing's real in this world. Nothing at all. Can't even trust anything.
No, never.
Look at this. It looks beautiful though now. Now I see it, huh? How about you? You excited?
Absolutely excited.
Is this your first time trying this?
For real?
Well, I know you're not from here.
Yeah.
I know you're not from Croatia.
Yeah, no, I'm from Israel.
Israel.
Yeah, so what is this? Chicken? Beef? Is it pork?
Lamb.
Lamb?
No, not lamb. It's
Pork?
beef.
Pig?
Was heißt denn? Halb.
Beef? Beef?
Halb. No, it's pork.
Yeah, we don't know.
Yes, it's meat.
Who cares?
It's meat.
Who cares? Look at this little oh damn. And then it looks pretty good though. My first time seeing this. And it's called Kotlovina.
Yeah.
It looks cool.
your
The
first
raw
time?
chicken. Yeah, my first time. And my mom's from this area where it's from. Slavonia. And she hasn't even heard of it, so I don't even know, yeah. It's crazy, but it's Enzo's birthday. Where is Enzo? There he is.
He left. With
Enzo!
Ollie. He left with Ollie.
Enzo! Enzo!
What did you want? Huh?
The horseman's back, eh? The man at work, eh? This is the horseman.
Yes.
How long does this take?
3 hours.
And you make this all the time, huh?
All the time?
Yeah. Not all the time, but a couple times a year.
Yeah.
But
Times a year.
he left for the most important part. So we don't know if the...
The taste is good.
Yeah, the taste is good. And because the ingredients might be a little bit messed up because he had
It will be okay.
he had his cook.
In the end, everything will be okay.
Everything will be okay. Look at it. It looks pretty good. You know what I mean? And he has a nice apron on now. Look at this. We got the light tied to the east trough here. We got Holly barbecue because we have no lights here. Ghetto barbecues are back. But look at the different color though. I don't know if you guys can see that. But it's dark now. It's real dark, huh? He's shy, huh? It looks good though. Potatoes are still raw. They just got put in there, but everything else looks pretty
Takes
cooked.
half an hour now.
Half an hour now?
Yes.
Everything. How about sausage?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so we still gotta add the beans, the mushrooms, and the sausage, but it's gonna take a half an hour more before it's ready. But I'm getting to cook some wine because I'm the cook's bitch today, you know. But it's happy birthday to Enzo, and Enzo's out there breastfeeding. He finally woke up. He's gonna be there for his birthday present. I mean, his birthday cake. So I'm just out here paddleboard, as you can see. But oh, hold on. But I wanted to give a little review on the Kotlovina. It tasted good. It was like so soft because you cook it for 3 hours. You can cut it with a freaking spoon. Now that's the type of meat I like. The flavors with it, wow! All the different kinds of meat together. It was like some sort of a stew. Some meat stew is beautiful. And would I have it again? Hell yeah! And the whole contraption of it, I thought it was kind of cool that you put it on this big disc with a fire burning under it with the exhaust pipe in the back, hanging out the back like a hot rod. It was beautiful, but here I am, look at this. Wow, just in the open sea. And it's beautiful. We're out here in Croatia, and I'm on the Adriatic Sea, of course. And it's beautiful. This is Bunjo. You know what time of day it is with me. Woo! Let's get it. Like, subscribe, and share. And you guys gotta try Kotlovina. Come down to Okrugorny and have some Kotlovina with me and Ollie, the owner of Marina Hostel Trogir. It's a beautiful place. It's a beautiful hostel actually, and it's a fair price, and it's right off the island of Trogir. Trogir is like Trogir Old Town's a little island. You can see a football fortress and everything, and he has a perfect view of Carmelango Fortress. So it's actually a really good place. You guys should try it. And he is honestly an amazing chef. He cooks everything around here. It's good. Him and Nick's shop. This is the Bunjo show. This is not your show. I traded the 905 for G-O-O-O. This is Bunjo show.